So these are all taken at 50 yards. Target one, we're a little bit to the right. I think I got a little carried away there. Pretty good there. I think we can live with that accuracy. A little better trigger pull, and I think I could really smoke these pretty good. But we'll wait till I get the extra cash to do that. And that's where I shoot from. Right back in there.